Do you want to increase your reach and engagement on Instagram like a pro? Well, I'm spilling the tea on the 10 Instagram hacks I bet you didn't know existed to blow up your business or creator account. Oh, and be sure to stay to the end because I'm going to be sharing the juiciest bonus hack you've ever heard. Hey, it's Kary, your social brand coach, and you can get started by taking my free training, Insta Strategies for Success, to learn the 3 strategies you must have to attract, nurture, and convert your followers into paying clients, customers, and brand partners. You can find the link in the description below. The first 4 Instagram hacks you must know are going to help you increase your reach on Instagram. Hack number 1, real topics. Instagram is all about properly categorizing your content so that it can put it in front of the right people. Help Instagram help you help them by adding topics that describe what your reel is all about to your reel before posting. Before you post, select add topics. You can choose from up to 3 topics from 15 different categories, including fashion and beauty, home and garden, and business, just to name a few. I select topics in the business category, such as small business and entrepreneurship, and I have noticed new followers in my ideal audience engaging with my content. Now, there's no way to know for sure if those followers came from adding the topics, but it certainly doesn't hurt giving Instagram more ways to categorize and promote your content. Number 2, schedule your posts at peak times. You may know that you can schedule your posts, stories, and lives, but do you know that you can now schedule them from inside of the app and that you can find the ideal time to post? First, go to your profile and tap the plus sign. Select the type of content you would like to schedule. Next, before posting, select advanced settings and then toggle on schedule this post or reel. Next, select a day and time. Now, the key to maximizing this feature is to schedule when your audience is most active so that you are more likely to reach a wider audience. You can find out when your audience is most active by going to your profile, tap professional dashboard, select see all next to the account insights at the top. Tap total followers, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you reach most active times bar graph. This will tell you the most active times per day, and you can tap the bar graph to see the average number of active users at any given time. Posting at the times your audience is most active will ensure more of your followers actually see your content. The next IG hack you probably didn't know existed is a little sneaky. Number 3, follow hashtags. Finding out the hashtags your ideal audience are using to help you get in front of them. We can't just sit around waiting for a reel to go viral for our ideal audience to find us. Sometimes we have to go out and find them, and the best way to find your audience is through hashtags. Now, once you've identified a list of hashtags that your ideal audience is using or searching for, then I want you to search those hashtags and then follow them. Once you follow the hashtag, recent posts from that hashtag will begin showing in your newsfeed. Now, you can start strategically engaging with those posts that use the hashtag by leaving detailed comments so that you can get in front of more of your ideal audience. It's called proactive engagement. At any time, you can see the list of hashtags you follow by going to your account, hitting following, and then tapping the category at the top that says hashtags creators and businesses. Number 4, SEO friendly bio. Did you know that Instagram operates like Google? Meaning they search pages for relevant keywords to help suggest accounts and content to the right people. You can increase the search engine optimization of your page by including keywords in your bio. Now, you want to include words that not only help Instagram categorize your page, but also words and phrases that your ideal audience would be searching for. You can include keywords in your name and title, your account category, and your bio description. To add or update your account category, go to your profile, tap edit profile, and then select category under public business information. Want tips on how to write a bio that gets you followers? Watch my video, How to Write the Perfect Bio, to make sure that your page is attracting your ideal followers. The next 4 Instagram hacks you must know are going to help you increase your engagement on Instagram. Hack number 5, add scheduled lives to stories. Get more people to show up for your lives by adding a schedule sticker to your stories that allows your audience to get a reminder about your upcoming live. First, you have to schedule your live. Go to your profile, tap the plus sign, and select live. Next, select the calendar icon from the left of the screen, title your live, and select a day and time. Once your live is scheduled, go to your stories and take or upload a photo or video. Next, go to the sticker library by tapping the square smiley face at the top of the screen and select scheduled. Then select your live. My scheduled lives, where I use a reminder sticker in my stories, receive nearly double the amount of views and live attendees as my non-scheduled lives. The next hack is my go-to hack for increasing my story views. Number 6, add engagement stickers to your first story. The more people that engage with your story, the more people that will actually see it. And since story views drop with each story you post, you need to get the engagement up as soon as possible. The key is to let your stories fully expire for at least 24 hours. And then when you add your first story, make sure to use an engagement sticker that encourages your viewer to engage. Keep it simple. Ask your audience if they are ready to tackle the week, and then use a poll sticker with 3 response options with varying degrees of excitement. For example, let's go, but first coffee. Check back in later. Number 7, add story mentions after posting. Are you trying to get your favorite brand's attention but forgot to tag them in your last story? Well, don't delete it and repost it. Just go ahead and open that story, tap the 3 dots in the lower right corner labeled More and select Add Mentions, and then search for the account you would like to mention and hit the blue button to add. Now, doing this won't show the tag in your story, but it will alert the account that they were mentioned, and that is how you get that brand's attention. Number 8, see who reshares your posts. The best way to get your followers to show you love is to show them love in return. When you post, encourage your audience to share your content, and then check to see who has shared your content by opening that post, tapping the 3 dots and selecting View Story Reshares. Select one of the reshares and then share it to your stories, publicly thanking that follower for sharing your post. Not only will that follower be thankful for the shout out, but other followers will be encouraged to share your post as well. Want more tips on the things you should and should not be doing on Instagram account? Watch my video on outdated tips and what to do instead to grow fast. The last 2 Instagram hacks you must know are going to help you increase your account management on Instagram. Sick and tired of checking your Instagram engagement only to find spam comments? Well, it's time to get rid of those once and for all. Bye, bye, bye. Hack number 9, hide comments. Go to your profile and tap the hamburger in the upper right hand corner. Did you know those 3 little lines was called a hamburger? Next, select Settings, then Privacy, then Hidden Words. Then scroll down and click Manage Custom Words and Phrases. Here's where you add all the words that you want Instagram to filter from your comments. I like to include words that are frequently found in spam comments on my account, such as Bitcoin, promotion, trading. You can also add accounts and hashtags to the list as well. Worry you may accidentally hide a real comment? Well, under your comments, Instagram will allow you to see hidden comments so you can manually unhide real comments. But you have to do it quickly because that option goes away over time. Do you have people that you follow that make you feel some kind of way every time they post, but you don't want to unfollow them? Is one of your friends flooding your newsfeed with posts every 5 minutes? Is there a brand you want to follow, but you don't actually want to see their content in your feed? I got you. Number 10, mute accounts. Go to a post in your newsfeed, tap the 3 dots in the upper right corner and hit hide, and then select mute. You can select to mute their post or their post in stories. Instagram won't let that account know that you've muted them, so don't worry. And you can unmute at any time by going to their profile. Are you ready for the juiciest bonus hack you have ever heard? Quickly rebrand or refresh your page aesthetic without starting from scratch by changing your Reels covers after you have posted them. I use this hack often because I usually don't have my covers designed by the time I'm ready to upload a Reel. Open the Reel you would like to edit, click the 3 dots in the upper right hand corner, select Edit, and then tap the cover of the Reel on the left of the caption. From here, you can select an image from your photos by tapping Add from Camera Roll at the bottom of the screen. Do this for a few recent Reels and boom, you have just refreshed the look of your newsfeed. So far, I have not ran into any time limitations with this hack, but if you are running into any issues, try updating your app. The moral of the story, you too can increase your reach and engagement on Instagram like a pro by utilizing these top 10 hacks for Instagram. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and be sure to subscribe. And while you wait for next week's video, follow me on Instagram and put me in your favorites to never miss a post. And remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, so give yourself boatloads of grace along the way.